Muthenya wa mwisho wa kigomano kia guthurima uhotani na matiruka ma thirikari cia matura miaka 10 kuma riria ciambiriria kurutithio wira niho munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua uria thukiirwo wira wa kuiguithania thirikari nene na magavana augite ati waganu wa kuhuthira indo cia muingi gukinyaniria mibango yote ti matura-ini no nginya ukinye muthia.
Governors have been twisted to give money obtained fraudulently and corruptly to fund political activities. With this new war on corruption in the county governments, it is no longer going to be possible to coerce governors from your coalition to give you money for politics.
Murugamo wa Rigathi ukite riri kigomano giki kihitukitie matua ma guthinga mienya ya wanangi na uicu wa mbeca cia muingi kuongerera igai ria honge cia ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na ũrĩmi na kuhimbiria mitambo ya kuhuthia utungata kuri muingi. Kigomano-ini giki bunge ya Senate ni ikiirio kigeranio gia kugathika mawatho ma kuhe bunge cia matura hinya munenanene wa guthurima uhuthiri wa mbeca cia county. Ihinda-ini riri kibarua kinene kia wira uyu gikoragwo na bunge ya Senate.
Yesterday is adopted as is.
Thirikari cia matura no ciguithanirie kugathika mitaratara ya kung'ethanira na mbara cia mucii matura-ini kuhotithia atumia kwigwatira utonga makiria wa migunda na kuhura njeki biashara nini. Magavana no maugite ati ni mekwarira mitaratara ya kugitira maria maturigiceirie kuhe andu ethi mawĩra na kuhorohia marũrũ ma mĩrimũ ya meciria.
We have told the administration, we have told the police to keep off politics. So chiefs, assistant chiefs, county commissioners, OCS, OSPD, they have no business in politics. Their work is to give services to the people of Kenya. Is to fight crime, is to fight illicit brew, is to register farmers, is to espouse government policy and keep off politics. Even governors elected on the opposition platform will enjoy the services of the administrators and the police and everybody else in an equitable and fair manner like the rest of the country.
Kigomano gia thirikari cia matura riu kiritabanagio o thutha wa miaka iri noguo ni kuga ati kiu kingi kigakorwo kiri kia mwaka wa 2025. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.